Located in Central Florida's newest and most advanced ambulatory surgical center, Viera Orthopedics specializes in a full range of orthopedic surgeries and procedures. Our team of Board Certified Interventional Pain Management and orthopedic surgeons have the training and experience to provide you the best in orthopedic care.
I'm Doctor Manish Gupta. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, board certified in orthopedics, and I have a specialty in sports medicine. I've taken care of some of the best athletes in the world, and I've come back and wanted to be a community doctor. So taking that mentality, like how do you keep the best athletes on the field playing, and now the goal is to keep the community just as active and pain-free and in the motions. And then I push it back. How about if I ask you to do that? Is that okay?
As a part of our effort to promote quality patient care and service, Viera Orthopedics focuses on a wide array of subspecialties, including sports medicine and joint reconstruction. Other conditions treated include carpal tunnel syndrome, tennis elbow, knee fracture, sprain and dislocation, ACL and meniscus, hip fracture and sprain, osteoarthritis, tendinitis, and ankle, shoulder, or wrist injuries.
It's very important that you know exactly what you're trying to fix, and the way you arrive at that decision as to what you're going to fix in a human body is a complex one. That process I take very seriously. So I go through a good stepwise process where we try conservative care or non-operative care. And in the case of surgery, it's not easy to go back once you've done surgery on somebody.
Procedures currently performed at Viera Orthopedics include ACL surgery, foot and ankle ligament and tendon repair, hip arthroscopy, myofascial trigger point injections, rotator cuff repair, shoulder surgery, and ultrasound-guided injections.
So for me, to get to the point that we've tried the non-operative means, which could be physical therapy, which could be an injection, which could be a little bit of rest or a bracing or something of that sort, or sometimes even stem cell therapy or a biologic treatment, which is some of the more advanced ways of treating some of the musculoskeletal problems. If those fail, then we know that we've tried everything, and then a surgery has a higher outcome or a higher chance for success. And I think that part needs to be individualized. You have to individualize the treatment, and then you also have to make sure that that surgery is right for that person.
Located within the state-of-the-art surgery center of Viera, Viera Orthopedics performs cutting-edge medical procedures in a facility with an on-site open-scan MRI and the most sophisticated sterilization methods available, affording a much lower infection rate than in any hospital.
To decrease complication rates, whether it be infection or anything else that may come in, you have to have, high standards. And that's what the surgery center has done with the staff, the doctors, and the surgeons. There's a high standard and there's a very rigorous process to make sure that those things are followed carefully, and we do our background checks and double checks as to we're following that process that allows us to be a germ-free environment when we follow those processes. So I think if you have high standards and you have high goals, you're going to move in that direction. And then it's the skill of the surgeons also. I think we've done a good job in our craft. We practice it well. We do surgery when it's needed, when it's absolutely the right thing to do.
Whether for sports-related injury or a common sprain, Viera Orthopedics provides the finest care for all your orthopedic needs. Viera Orthopedics.